guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Nelly Saduwa, and on this channel we do hair, beauty and lifestyle tips. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 4 must-have for a beginner YouTuber. What every beginner YouTuber must have to make their videos at the peak. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please do well to give this video a huge thumbs up, watch this video to the end, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So moving on to my 4 must-have, I'm going to go straight up to the first must-have for every beginner YouTuber, which is a good video quality. So your good video quality could possibly come from the type of phone you're using or the type of camera you are using. So whichever one it is, you need to get one of both. Either you're getting a good camera or you are getting a good phone. Now, no matter the kind of phone or the kind of camera you end up getting, what is the next important thing to get is lighting, because lighting just goes a long way to promoting your video. So this brings me to the next must have for every beginner YouTuber, which is lighting. So this is the light sources I have right here is my ceiling light and my ring light. I am filming at night currently. It's quite late. This is like past 10 to 11 and I'm still filming. So I need artificial lighting to promote my video quality. So what I did, I put on my ring light and I put on my ceiling light to support my. So another thing you must have is good lighting. Good lighting just goes ahead to promote your video quality. No matter the kind of phone or camera you are using, good lighting is so important, most especially if you are a YouTuber who gets to film late at night. You can't be filming late at night with just your ceiling light. So I'm just going to go ahead to do a me with my ring light and a me without my ring light, so it just goes a long way to explaining what it is really to you. So this is me without my ring light. Like I said, I'm filming late at night. It's past 10 to 11 that I'm filming right now. So I don't have any natural source light coming from outside. So I need to make do with my ring light to support my video quality. Else it's going to be trash. So if you do not have a ring light or you do not have any artificial light, probably a softbox or whatever that can illuminate your video quality for you, then please go ahead to make videos during the day, because it just goes a long way to promoting your video quality. And then also, if your house is not in a position where you can have bright light coming from outside, it's also important you get a lighting, an artificial light to support your lighting system. Now the next must have for every beginner YouTuber I think you should have is a tripod stand, because listen, making a video without a tripod stand, no matter the kind of video you are making, except you do vlogs, and even if you do vlogs, I think like lifestyle vlogs where you move around and all of that, I personally still think you need probably a selfie stick or a tripod stand that you can fold together to make a selfie stick for all of that. So you still need things to make your videos make your filming come easy for you. So this brings me to the third one. You need a tripod stand, guys. Imagine making a sit-down video without a tripod stand right now. I remember when I started YouTube, I didn't have a tripod stand. It was hell for me. So I think it's very important to get a tripod stand as a beginner YouTuber. I needed to make steps with books and different stuffs just to lift up my phone a bit, and no matter how no matter the height I get to, it's still hard for me to make a sit down video. So then I usually make um DIY videos and all those stuff, so I don't get to film myself. So, but guys, listen, you need a tripod stand to be able to do this thing on YouTube. So the next must have for every beginner YouTuber is quality. Now, it's also important that you get good audio quality. Right now, while I'm making this video, you can hear some tiny noise around. I don't think, but it's not very important, it's not very nice when you're making videos and then you have noise around. So it's also very important that you improve on your audio quality. I remember when I started making videos on YouTube, sometimes I make videos and then you can hear generator noise. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the iCard so you can go watch that video where I ranted and I talked a whole lot about issues of noise on my background, or rather in the background of my videos. I have a couple of videos like that. I'm going to leave them in the iCards, but there's a particular one where I had to make a rant video about it, and I talked about getting an app to help reduce the noise. A noise reduction app can just do little for you, no matter how good it is. The noise reduction app I was able to get, the reason why I stopped using it was because it changes and currently I'm just using my phone the way it is. So I try to make videos when it's absolutely quiet, so the only noise you probably get to hear is the noise from things around me. So these are my 4 must-have for every beginner YouTuber. First, your good video quality. Next, your lighting. Thirdly, your tripod stand. And lastly, good audio quality. So if you have these 4 things as a beginner YouTuber, you are so good to go. Like, you can make videos anywhere, anytime, and then put it up on YouTube and your video is going to be doing really well. Like, if you make good and interesting videos, people are going to come to stay on your channel. Nobody's going to come and run away because the video is not really catchy and really nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please do also leave a comment in the comment section for your girl, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.